And if you're new here, I'm Faith.
And I'm Justice. And today, guys, we're going to make a mini slime. But there's a catch. We're going to be on a timer.
10 minutes.
Okay, Google. Tell them 10 minutes. Google!
Okay, 10 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, let's go. I'm going to be adding the glue.
I'm going to start with my mini one. See? It's gold and silver.
Watch that drop.
I'm not going to drop it. Don't jinx me. And now we're going to be adding the shaving cream. Look at this, guys. This is so cute. This is like glitter-ish. I just remember I forgot my spoon. Oh yeah. Look at we're going to go in for hands. This is so cute. I forgot my spoon. The one thing that could save the universe. Oh. Guys, look, I'm gonna add my red a little bit. Hopefully this adds OMG, that looked like a
Where did that
crystal.
turn into a... I don't know. Are you sure you want to add?
Yeah.
Are you aware what color was on?
Chill. Just go with the flow. I forgot my spoon.
This will be... There's food to try and get that though.
Maybe I'm gonna use this to stir with. So
What's that? Sorry?
I give y'all one pass. Y'all can go get it, and y'all better hurry. Y'all gonna lose it. And this is still y'all getting no more. Y'all getting no more time. You better go and get it then. You gonna use this to your advantage, bro?
yeah. Oof. I'm making like a mini slime. Y'all already know that.
I like the color.
One drop equals mini slime.
I like more than a drop.
That wasn't me. It's like, no.
There's a ghost of Christmas past.
OMG, look at this. This is so cute. Okay, now I'm going to add this mini gold glitter glue.
You don't look like mini slime.
It is a mini slime.
I don't see many about it.
Okay, now I'm going to activate. I'm done. Well, maybe not too much activated. I mean, like. Guys, look, this is so getting mini.
You better hurry up. See 6 steps ahead of you.
I'm actually on the activator. Sad that I have to.
Y'all do not know what mini slime is, do y'all?
This is mini. You will
That,
see
that's mini?
afterwards.
That look like mini?
Yes, it is minty. Not minty. Never mind. You'll see. I'm gonna make it look like you, Dad.
What? Bruh.
It's just like you. OMG, it's activated, guys. We'll have to roll up my sleeves.
I know y'all only got 10 minutes.
Yeah, probably. So we can make how many sleeves we want.
Ooh, okay.
Yes. Why is this so small? I really like small slimes. Look at this.
Tom's holding my hand.
Y'all better keep paying attention and get moving. Y'all on time,
How
man.
much time is left? Okay, Google. How much time is left? Okay, Google.
5 minutes and 59 seconds.
It already has been past 5 minutes.
Bruh. Get up on it.
Oh my god.
Would you like to text us, Daddy?
Not even.
Tell us what's home.
No.
Why does this feel like a jiggly slime?
It looked like a jiggly slime.
I didn't even put any water in it or anything. Is this ever gonna activate? This is so sticky. I hate I mean, the mini, what? The mini texture? The mini slime. We have to have the most mini slime. Ooh, yours is very fluffy. That looks like Laffy Taffy. I love Laffy Taffy, especially the yellow ones. Because it tastes like banana. Guys, look at my slime. It's turning slime.
I got overactivated my slime, so we need lotion.
Ledson's gonna win just as I'm
Something tells me I don't think you got lotion, do you? Bruh.
I didn't think this through. We do have lotion,
It looks pretty cool.
but it's not like
Look.
It looks like it's possibly something I don't test slime.
Remember Laffy Taffy? Laffy Taffy was. Guys, look at this.
Okay, it's shiny for
I
sure.
call it bubblegum in a dish.
Bruh.
Not copyrighted from anything.
It looks fluffy. That one I don't think I'm scared to
Look
touch.
at this. This is like clay. This is hard clay.
Bruh, stick to your own slime, bruh. Stick to your own slime, bruh. Stick to your own slime, bruh. Okay, yours is definitely, probably, maybe considered a mini. Yours, you got.
It's humongous. Cause you added shaving cream. You should know that it's shaving cream. Makes your slime ish fluffy. But it can't fit in the container.
We don't know what you're doing over there.
Welcome to my dark world.
Bruh. She knew that she just messed up.
Guys, would you like to touch the slime?
Never.
Bubblegum in a dish. How many wishes do you wish?
Guys, look at my slime. I'm in love with the mini slime.
So are y'all done?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we didn't need the timer.
It's time to judge.
Yeah, you asked them. You know I don't touch. Let them see them both of y'all slime. Let me see your slime. It's nice. I like the color.
Look how much it is
It's shiny. It is. It is definitely shiny. You like it?
Yeah.
What's the name of it?
It's like shiny berry. Shiny pinky.
Shiny Pinky.
Yeah.
Alright. What's the name of yours? Let me see yours. Let me see yours. Bring it in. Let me see yours.
Hers look like a.
But we gotta see yours, bruh. Okay.
Look at that swirl.
Stretch it.
Hold on. Wait. It still has hope and dreams.
I think mine is the most stretchy.
Wait, no. It still has, look, it has hope.
Stretch it fast.
Oh.
No, it has hopes and dreams. Just
It
like
looks like it has.
Okay. Y'all got anything y'all want to let them know? Y'all didn't even need 10 minutes.
Okay, bye guys. Oh yeah, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Who do y'all think won?
Hashtag Team Faith.
Hashtag Team Justice. They ain't gonna win.
But mine's minier and it's stretchy. Look at that stretch.
Yeah, mine stretches too.
Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos, and